When was the last time you checked behind your furniture? Like, really checked? Because if you're anything like most people, there's a good chance that whatever's back there has been collecting dust for years. Today, we're facing the dark, forgotten corners of organization. Those sneaky little spaces where dust bunnies take over, lost items vanish into the void, and let's be honest, it's a little scary back there. But don't worry, we've got this. First up, the classic black hole of missing stuff. If we've ever lost a remote, a charger, or, let's not kid ourselves, a whole bag of snacks to the abyss behind the couch, we're not alone. Somehow these tiny spaces have the magical ability to swallow everyday objects, only for them to reappear months or years later, looking like they've been through another dimension. And then there's the stuff that isn't worth saving, crumbs, ancient receipts, and mystery items that make us question all of our life choices. If dust bunnies had a capital city, it would be behind our furniture. And let's talk about what's actually in the dust: dead skin cells, pet hair, fabric fibers. Basically, the ingredients for a sneezing marathon. If we've been feeling extra stuffy or dealing with allergies, the culprit might not be the season, it could be a full-blown dust colony hanging out behind our dresser. Alright, now for the part we really don't want to think about. What if something else is lurking back there? Old crumbs and spills can attract ants, or worst-case scenario, something a little bigger. And then there's the mystery smell. You know the one. The faint, what is that? Scent we can't quite locate. 9 times out of 10, it's either an old food spill or something damp collecting mold. Another thing hiding back there? A potential fire hazard. All those discovered power strips and tangled up cords? Not exactly safe. Experts actually recommend vacuuming around outlets and cables regularly because dust buildup can overheat and, in rare cases, even catch fire. Let's not turn our entertainment center into a surprise fire starter. Now here's the good news. There is something weirdly satisfying about finally dealing with this mess. Once we move that furniture, vacuum up the dust, and rescue that book we meant to read months ago, it feels like an instant reset. It's not just about cleaning, it's about taking back our space. And hey, maybe next time we won't let it get this bad. Maybe. And if you're ready to clear out the clutter but don't have the space at home, we've got the perfect solution. Visit arcosstorage.com for safe, secure, and clean storage options, because some things deserve a better home than behind the couch.